What's going on, guys? For today's video we got a super quick unboxing, but it is a brand that I have never unboxed on the channel yet, so you know I had to deliver you with this brand new Lifted Anchors unboxing. Now, I have been familiar with the brand for a long time. I own about 5 or 6 pieces from them currently right now, but they just recently had a drop a couple of weeks ago. Actually, I think it was just 1 week ago, but then they recently just did another drop. I don't know, possibly like 2 weeks ago they did a drop. They had this plaid flannel with like this a paisley print kind of thing on it, and then they had a hoodie and some other things like that. I was not expecting this to be like a Supreme drop, and actually the flannel went pretty quickly, which I was super bummed out about because I didn't think it was going to sell out quick. So I added both things to my cart, went to checkout, and did not get the flannel, but I fortunately was able to get this one thing, which I will be unboxing right after I talk about this. But then yesterday they actually just had another drop, which I took another L on. They made the blue flannel, which I personally liked a lot better, but that went so quick. I was not playing any games this time. I wasn't going to try to double cart the other thing I wanted. I was just going straight for that flannel first. Somehow at 9 o'clock exactly, it's still sold out, and I was not able to get that. So hopefully they're going to be hitting a restock, and if you guys are watching this, please hit us with that restock, because I know a lot of other people would be interested in that. So again, I talk so much in all the videos. Let's get done talking and let's get into this unboxing. So like I said, it's just gonna be super quick because it is just one piece, but I thought this piece was so fire that it needed a video for itself. Usually when I just get one thing from a company, I don't really do an unboxing unless it's like Supreme or something like that. But this piece is so hard, I had to make a video on it. So let's open this right up. All right, this is looking clean already. We got the invoice right here, so let's get that out of the way. And then here it is. It is this white and blue paisley hoodie. They did drop another one yesterday, which had, instead of blue, it kind of had gray, which I did prefer way better than this one. But I didn't want two of basically the exact same flannel, so I am still cool with having this one. As long as I got one, that's cool. But yeah, let's open this thing up, and I will try it on for you guys in case you guys are wondering for sizing purposes, just in case you're looking to pick up if it's still on the site, or if you're looking for resale purposes, looking to pick one up and not sure of your size. So I don't know if I said already, but I did pick this up in a size extra large. I don't know if it's going to be too big, but I'm sick of buying all these hoodies from brands that end up being like too small and like too tight on me. So I figured, if anything, I would rather have a baggier fit than a tight fit for my hoodies at least. So that's why I went the extra large. If worst case scenario, I'm pretty sure I could shrink this if I really wanted to. Hopefully I don't have to do that at all, but it's looking like it's gonna fit. I don't know how much you can see in the camera, and I don't know how well the camera is gonna pick up this white color, but it is just like a pure white. I don't know if it looks blown out to you guys or not, because I do not have a monitor yet for this camera. I don't know if you can see it all, but it is completely white, has the paisley print on it. Then it has like this like blue dip dyed kind of thing, which possibly could have been hand done. Not entirely sure on that though, so do not quote me on that, but it looks really, really nice. I love how it has it like on the sleeves like that, and like this one's not as crazy as this one. The material feels really nice. I didn't fact check to see what it is made out of though, like if it's made out of anything else or anything like that, but kind of looks like it has like a terry on the inside, but I'm not entirely sure. And like I said, I got that in extra large, and it features the Lifted Anchors tag on the inside, and then the little tag on the side here. So not really too much more to say about this thing, but it is so sick. I'm glad I was able to get this in the collection, because I've been trying to step my hoodie game up. I have a lot of clothes. I have so many clothes, but like the one thing I'm lacking in next to my shoe game is definitely my hoodie game, which I've been trying to step up. So this is a nice little addition to it. So I'll throw it on right now and we can see what it fits like. So this is the hoodie on, and again, this is a size extra large. It is a little big on me. Well, actually, I don't really know if it's like that big on me, but it is kind of like that boxier fit. So I think that's why it feels a little big, because lengthwise, I think it kind of fits me perfectly, but it kind of has that box shape. It kind of sits on my body kind of odd. So maybe I could have had a large, but regardless, I did prefer the bigger look anyway. So I think the extra large is going to be perfect for me. I'm also just now realizing it has like this kind of like distressings on the sleeve, so like on the cuff of the sleeve or whatever. So that's looking actually pretty clean. I'll stand up too so you can see it, and I don't know how well you can see this right now because of the camera, but yeah, it's like that little bit of a boxier fit. Don't like these pants at all with this, so don't think I would probably wear this together, but I did just want to show you it. Wasn't going to change the whole pants just for this fit. Here it is on. Love the way the hands are looking too. Hopefully you can see it. How the sleeves are looking, all that good stuff. Quality seems pretty good. And again, this hoodie was only like $64, I think. So that seems like a steal to me, considering like how good of a quality this is. And yeah, it was a limited hoodie. It could still be on the site, but I'm not entirely sure. But if you are thinking about picking up resale and unsure of your size, I don't know necessarily if I would say go true to size, because I think my true to size hoodie size is a large, but I always get an extra large because I prefer that like bigger look look. And I would say for this, I kind of sized up, so maybe go true to size, but I don't know. And I don't know if I already said this either, but for sizing purposes, I am about 6 feet tall and like 145 pounds. So that is what the extra large looks on me. So that is gonna wrap it up for this video. Just had to do this unboxing because I did really like this hoodie, and I don't really think there are a lot of lifted anchors videos out there. So if you were looking to pick this up, resell, or if it's still on the site, hopefully this video did help you out, and hopefully you just got some good sizing references in case you're trying to pick this up. So if you did enjoy the video, please check out all the other videos on my channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Make sure you drop a like, drop a comment. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.